be just peace in what we've softly made. The world still spins, but I don't care. Your voice is home, it keeps me there through every noise, through every flame. You hold my heart when you hold my name. No more chasing what's already mine. I find my calm in your design. Hold my name like a melody. Let it rest where the heart should be. No need to shout, no need to show. You love me quiet and I know. Hold my name and stay the same. I'm whole again when you hold my name. You see the things I try to hide, the tender flaws I keep inside. But you don't flinch, you never run. You meet the dark and call it sun. You take the cracks, you make them art. You draw your warmth across my heart. No grand escape, no fancy frame, just truth alive when you hold my name. I've tried to earn, I've tried to prove, but love is simple when it's you. Hold my name like a melody. Let it rest where the heart should be. No need to shine, no need to show. You make it real and I just know. Hold my name and stay the same. I'm safe again when you hold my name. Maybe love is made of grace, of staying still, of giving space. You say so much in quiet tones and teach me how to feel at home. No louder words could mean the same as when you breathe and hold my name. If the night grows cold and long, your voice will be my steady song. No need for stars, no need for flame. Just stay, just breathe in and hold my name.
The clock is slow, the night is thin. Your shadow falls where dreams begin. The air is soft, the lights are low, and silence hums, it starts to grow. You trace the rim of your half-filled glass. Our laughter fades, the moments pass. No words can change the things we know, but hearts still beg to take it slow. The city sleeps, the world feels small. The rain outside begins to fall. You glance away, I catch my breath. That gentle lay, the quiet death. You say it's late, I should be gone, but something trembles in your tone. I reach for you, my hand unsure. Your eyes say stay a little more. The night forgives what days reveal. The truth can wait for wounds to heal. Let's not decide what's wrong or right. Just stay with me just for tonight. Stay a little longer, love. Let the dawn wait high above. Hold this silence, hold this grace. Let time forget our final place. Stay a little longer, please, before we fall to memories. One more breath, one more song. Stay a little longer. Your fingers brush my open palm, a fragile piece, a quiet calm. We talk of things we'll never do, and smile at lies that feel like truth. The record hums a distant tune. The air still smells of sweet perfume. And though we know we've reached the end, I trade forever for this bend. The candle burns, its edges weep. Your hair drifts close, I barely speak. Outside the world begins to stir, but here it's only me and her. No promises, no need to mend, just hearts that learn how nights can bend. If love must fade with morning's light, then let it fade in your arms tonight. I'll take this moment, small but true, this fragile piece I found with you. Tomorrow waits, but not right now. Let's steal this out, we'll find out how. No need to dream of what's beyond. This night's enough, this heart's still fond. Let all the pain and fear suspend until the stars begin to end. Dawn creeps in, the city sighs. We say goodbye with quiet eyes. No tears, no words, no bitter wrong, just whispers fading into song. And if I never hold you longer, this memory will still grow stronger. Stay just a little longer. Just a little longer. Just a little longer. The morning hums beneath the sky. The world's still soft, the streets still dry. A gentle breeze across the blinds whispers you back into my mind. I take a sip, the coffee's warm, and think of how your smile was born. The things we lost, they come and go, but some stay lit like morning glow. Last night the rain was falling slow. The city lights were all aglow. I traced your name on misted glass and watched the quiet hours pass. Your memory walks these empty streets where jazz notes float and moments meet. The world feels lighter when I know you're somewhere under the same dawn glow. And even though you're far away, your voice still finds me in the day. A low refrain, a steady tone, it makes this heart feel less alone. Morning glow, you calm the storm inside. Every thought of you turns dark to light. I don't need much, just soft goodbye. Morning glow, you make it all feel new, like the world begins again with you. A saxophone hums down the lane, the echoes mix with yesterday's rain. I walk past cafes half awake and feel the quiet love we make. Your sweater still hangs on my chair, a piece of peace that lingers there. The scent of cinnamon and gold reminds me love can still unfold. There was a time I feared the dawn, but now those sleepless nights are gone. Your laughter still plays in the room, it chases off the winter gloom. Some people fade like summer air, but you remain in every prayer. No final words, no last hello, just this calm, this morning glow. Maybe someday by chance again we'll meet beneath this light, my friend. 2 coffees poured, 1 sugar stirred. No heavy hearts, no need for words. I'll smile and let the silence speak of everything my voice can't reach. You'll nod the sunlight through your hair, and I'll know love was always there. The morning hums, the city waits, the world forgives our old mistakes. I breathe you in, I let you go, and thank the day for morning glow.
I wake to quiet in my chest, no rush to prove, no crowded test. A simple rhythm in my breath, a softer way to measure best. You pour a laugh into my day, I find my pace and choose to stay. No fireworks, no grand parade, just steady joy that doesn't fade. The world still moves at city speed, but I can hear what my heart needs. A gentle groove beneath my feet, a warmer tone in how I speak. I'm learning how to hold my ground, to keep my calm when storms are loud. Your hand in mine, an easy sign we're doing well, and that is fine. I used to chase a louder wind, but peace begins from deep within. I open up, I let it be, and find enough in simply me. Steady joy, don't run away, live inside the ordinary day. Not a blaze but a glow, I know, moving with a gentle flow. Hold me close, keep time with me, set my worried feelings free. We trade our plans for kinder aims, less keeping score, less perfect frames. A melody that never shouts, but carries hope and drowns the doubts. You hum along, I keep the beat, our footsteps soft, our pulses meet. It isn't loud, it isn't grand, but it's the life we understand. I write a list of little things, the quiet strength that morning brings. A call returned, a gentler word, a promise kept, a patience learned. I'm not afraid to take it slow and still let brighter feelings grow. We lift the weight we used to hold and make a softer kind of bold. I used to fear the in-between, but now that space feels clear and clean. The chorus comes without a push, a calm that blooms instead of rush. Steady joy, don't run away, live inside the ordinary day. Not a blaze but a glow, I know, moving with a gentle flow. Hold me close, keep time with me, set my worried feelings free. to hide, with grounded tone and open stride. No need to prove, no need to race. I'll give this moment breathing space. If doubt returns, I'll keep this song a measured heart that carries on. So here we are with room to breathe, a rhythm warm beneath our feet. I'll carry this through noise and night, a quiet strength that holds me right. If I forget, remind me please. Steady joy moves just like these.
Steam from the cup draws a halo in air. Soft golden light touches your hair. Curtains breathe slow with the sound of the breeze. A saxophone hums through the morning trees. The city's heartbeat still half asleep. A rhythm so gentle, quiet and deep. You smile without words, I already know. We're starting again, we're taking it slow. I used to chase the clock, now I let it tick behind. The sunlight knows what I forgot, how peace can fill the mind. Sunlight on the table, dancing through the steam, painting our reflections like a half-remembered dream. If the day turns heavy, if the skies forget to blue, I'll hold this little morning and the light that falls on you. Sunlight on the table, quiet, warm and true. Toast, crumbs and laughter, jazz on repeat. Barefoot confessions where our eyes meet. You talk about nothing, but somehow it heals. The smallest of moments are what love reveals. A note by your hand, don't rush today. Simple words that show me the way. I breathe them in like cinnamon air, and every heartbeat whispers you're there. I used to live too loud, now I hear the quiet hum. Every step a softer vow to be where peace comes from. Sunlight on the table, dancing through the steam, painting our reflections like a half-remembered dream. If the day turns heavy, if the skies forget to blue, I'll hold this little morning and the light that falls on you. Sunlight on the table, quiet, warm and true. We don't need a crowd to make the moment shine. Every breath we take rewrites the line. The gentle sound of spoons and sighs turns time to honey before it flies. Stay a little longer, you say. I smile, the world can wait today. The coffee cools, but I don't mind. Your hand in mine keeps time. Oh, sunlight on the table, dancing through the steam. Life feels like a record we can play and dream. If the day turns heavy, if the skies forget to blue, I'll still have this morning soft and new. Sunlight on the table, quiet, warm and true. The light fades slow, shadows fall, but I still hear your laughter in it all. Sunlight on the table forever after all.
The sunlight leans across the floor. You smile the same as day before. The kettle sings, the papers fold. Our story told in quiet gold. No need for plans, no need to prove. Just morning air that feels like you. We hum along, the city wakes. Love in the sound that morning makes. It's not the fire, it's not the rain, just gentle joy I can't explain. Every little morning feels brand new. The world turns soft when I'm with you. Coffee, steam, and gentle tunes. A simple life beneath the noon. Every little morning that we share is everything that keeps me there. No rush, no fight, no need to change. Just love in every little morning's range. We talk about the smallest things, the plans, the laughs, what each day brings. Your hand rests warm beside my cup. I sip, I smile, the light drifts up. Outside the cars begin to roll, but peace stays steady in my soul. I used to chase what couldn't stay. Now all I need is here today. The world moves fast, I'll move slow. With every truth your eyes still show. Every little morning feels brand new. The sky turns kind because of you. The moment's small but never few. They're all I need to make it through. Every little morning clear and warm. You're my quiet, gentle storm. You turn the hours into grace and keep the calm upon my face. Maybe peace was always near, hidden in the days right here. Not a dream, not far away, just this heart that chose to stay. And when the night begins to fade, the promise stays in what we've made. The sunlight leans, the hours fall, but love still hums beneath it all. No grand design, no need for more. You are the day I'm waiting for. Every little morning, every smile makes life worth every single mile.
The city sleeps beneath the tree. The dawn arrives softly to blue. The kettle hums, the floorboards creak. In silence comes the words I see. The world's still caught in shades of blue. Quiet hum between the trees. I breathe it in the scent of rain, and let the calm erase the pain, and there's peace in this forgotten hour, where time forgets its heavy power. No need for noise, no need for plans, just me and light in my two hands. Before the world wakes, I find my peace. The north still sleep in my mind release. No rush, no fight, no words to chase, just morning's breath and your old face. Before the world wakes, I start anew. The quiet hum reminds me of you. The air is warm, the sky half gray. I love the world this way. The radio hums a tender chord, a whisper soft, my soul restored. The coffee steams, the minutes slow. The sunlight bends where shadows go. You used to sit right here and read. Your voice like wind through autumn reeds. And even now, though years have gone, the calm of dawn still carries on. You'd say mornings know the truth, they heal what nights forget. And every time I wake too soon, I still hear your silhouette. I trace your name in window mist and smile at all the days I have missed. Some things don't fade, they just grow kind, like echoes living in my mind. Before the world wakes, I find my peace. The noise still sleep in my mind release. No rush, no fight, no words to chase, just morning's breath and your old face. Before the world wakes, I start anew. The quiet hum reminds me of you. The air is warm, the sky half gray. I love the world this way. The days will spin, the nights will fall, but morning still can't heal it all. A second chance, a softer grace, to meet myself in this still place. For the I feel the pulse beneath my sleep, and all the noise will come again. But I'll begin right where I am. Before the world wakes, I find my peace. The world half born, the noise release. The sunlight hums, the shadows play, and all my fear just drifts away. Before the world wakes, I start anew, and every calm I think of you. A quiet soul is soft and new. Before the world wakes, there's something holy in the hush before the day begins. That's what
When you say goodbye, the sky was blue. No storms, no clouds, just me and you. The chairs still warm, coffee cold. Our story softly growing old. But at the books, your old white shirt. No anger left, just gentle dirt. And on the page you used to write, I saw your words still shining light. It wasn't meant to last forever, but I still hum that simple tune. Love doesn't fade, it just changes weather, and leaves its warmth in every room.
kettle hums, the sunlight wakes, the world's still quiet, no mistakes. I breathe it in, this gentle start, a little peace to warm my heart. The news will come, the rush will grow, but here and now I let it go. The city waits, the clock still spins, but I choose calm again. We're taught to chase, to run, to climb, to fill our days, to race with time. But life feels best in moments small, where nothing means it all. Slow mornings, quiet and kind, a little space to free my mind. No need to rush, no need to win. The world can start again. Slow mornings, coffee and grace. The sunlight paints my face, the day will come, I'll find my way. But slow is how I'll stay. The sound of cars beneath the hill reminds me time can't stand still. A stranger smiles, the breeze feels new. The smallest things pull me through. I used to run, I used to fear the world would pass while I stayed here. But peace was waiting all along inside a quiet song. So let the plans fade out of view. The moment's all I need to do. The world's not meant to be a race, just one long breath we chase. Slow mornings, quiet and kind, a little space to free my mind. No need to rush, no need to win. The world can start again. Slow mornings, coffee and grace. The sunlight paints my face, the day will come, I'll find my way. But slow is how I'll stay. Still ticks, the crowd still runs, but peace belongs to patient ones. And when the noise begins to fade, I'm thankful for the pause I made. Slow mornings, warm and real, the calm I get to feel. No perfect plan, no grand display, just living day by day. Slow mornings, tender and true, the world feels born anew. I'll still be slow today. The light turns soft, the coffee's gone, but peace keeps humming on. morning hums beneath the sky. The world's still soft, the streets still dry. A gentle breeze across the blinds whispers you back into my mind.
네, 아버지.
I take a sip, the coffee's warm,
열쇠는 어디 있어요?
and think of how your smile was born. The things we lost, they come and go, but some stay lit like
꽂아 놨습니다,
morning
열쇠.
glow.
네.
Last night the rain was falling slow. The city lights were all aglow. I traced your name on misted glass and watched the quiet hours pass. Your memory walks these empty streets where jazz notes float and moments meet. The world feels lighter when I know you're somewhere under the same dawn.